guys, it's Bodie and
Devin.
today I'm going to be showing you how to use Scratch. So the first thing you want to do on your computer is click Safari. Then you can go in full screen if you want, and you will type in Scratch. Scratch, if you didn't know what Scratch is it's a coding game. You can make games, you can make animations, and it is a lot. So I have an account. I'll show you how to create an account. So you can if you want, it'll say when you go on something, if you create one, I'll go and create. Right here is my account, but right here it'll say either, I think it says sign in or log in or something. You click that, you can click create, so you don't have to you don't have to use a real one, but alright. So
Bodie, can you explain to us all the things that you can do on Scratch and what the point is?
Alright, okay. The point is to create games. You can make animations, you can post them, they give you likes, they give you comments, and you can play them as well. So let's look at some of the ones I made. Okay, let's see some of the games I made. I have made 3 games. Let's check out the first simplest one. It's called Balloon Clicker. So you click that, you're gonna click the balloons, and you see the balloon scores right there. And each time you click it, your score goes up. If you don't click it, it just disappears. And when you click it, it makes a pop sound, as you can hear it.
And as you guys know, or might know, clicker games are almost addicting, even though all you do is click. So this game looks pretty fun to me because I am a sucker for clicker games.
I made a cheat. And so if you guys search Balloon Clicker in the search, then it might come up. It's got this space star background, and it's got a balloon on it. It says balloon score. So, yeah.
Okay, guys, so now, the time that you've all been waiting for, Bodie is going to show you guys how to make a clicker game.
All right, let's get into it. Okay, so first, if you want, you can go in a tutorial, and there are all these tutorials. You can click any one you want, like add a sprite, animate a sprite.
It's hide and show, record a sound, glide around, everything.
Yeah, and so if you don't know what a sprite is, it is a character. That's a sprite, that's a sprite, that's a sprite. All these are sprites. So a sprite is a character. All right, now,
it's all code.
We can click make a clicker game. And so if you want, you can watch the video. I'm not going to. If you want, you can click the arrow. It shows you what to do. Pick a sprite. You go in here.
You go to the cat with a plus sign.
Yep. You click choose a sprite. You can click a sprite. I'm gonna choose.
Let's do. How about bananas?
All right, bananas. All right. So you got bananas. All right. Then you click the arrow again, and then so you click. So it's got all these code things. It's got different things. So the color means what it is.
So there's motion, blocks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators,
variables, and my blocks.
Yes.
So it says when this sprite clicked, and then you click the color, what that is. So it's pink, and it says sound. So you look for start sound pop.
You can also make your own sound.
Yeah, you can record your own sound. There's chomp and bite. So we can choose. I'll turn up the volume so you guys can hear. So I'm gonna click chomp. And so when you press this green flag, and I'll press it, and then it'll make that sound. So there. So you can hear that.
It doesn't exactly sound like a chomp. Let's try bite.
Yeah, let's try bite.
That sounds a lot better. Okay, so now that's how you make the sound.
All right.
Obviously, you can see that up here are all the things. You can even read it there. So that's what's cool about it.
All right, next arrow, you click the arrow. All right, so you click variables at the bottom, then you click make a variable, then you would type in capital S, C-O-R-E, and score. You can choose for this sprite only or for all sprites, and you press OK. Then, to see it's up here, then you press the arrow again. So, change score by 1. So, change score by 1, and then you put it right here. And by the way, you don't have to download this game. You can just search Scratch and sign in.
It's just on Google, Scratch, boom, you're in.
Yep.
In the next video, Bodhi will show you how to create your own account for it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you guys know how to do that.
Alright. So it said the next arrow says go to random position. So then it'll say, well, you just gotta copy everything on here. So when clicked, forever, then go to blue, which is motion. It says go to random position. Then wait 1 second, which is in the orange, control. Wait 1 second, or seconds is what it says. And then you click the next arrow. So when you click this, it goes in a random position. See? Alright. Now, you can go in. You can change the color if you want, but you can change it. You can, in the forever, you could go change color effect by 25. It's in the purple. Here, I'll do it for you. You click, where is it? Change color effect by 25, and put it on top of the go to random position. Then you can choose fisheye, whirl, pixelate, mosaic, I think that's how you say it, brightness, and ghost. You can click that. I'm just going to do color. So when you click it, it changes the color as it does that. So,
As it moves around.
yep, as it moves around. All right, so now you can also click, when clicked, set score to 0. So you just click score, set score to 0. Right. And then when it says this on the tutorials, you could just press close. These are different tutorials. Add a backdrop or use arrow keys. We might do this one next.
Can you show them how to add a backdrop? Because I think that would look really cool with the bananas.
So you see this picture right here? You press that. Then you either click this or the magnifying glass. Same with this. Choose backdrop. Then you can search. It's got different categories, and this is all. So, which one should I choose?
Maybe we should do one that has to do, maybe there's a jungle one because,
Yes,
monkeys.
there is jungles.
That would look cool.
Alright, so now you could move it anywhere you want. Then, you can cheat. Alright, now what I'm going to do is you can press pause, which is the thing, and that's start, pause. Then you can click full screen if you want, and then you can play it. But if you click this, it saves it. So you do that. You can click this, then you name it. I'm going to name it Bananas in the Jungle. I'm going to capitalize jungle. It's a place. Alright, bananas in the jungle. So you click this, something's wrong. I'm going to click.
Sometimes there's technical difficulties.
It should. Alright, let me click this.
But all you have to do is
Yep, it's not there. Alright, let's do this.
click
Jungle.
Backdrops.
There we go. And now it's going to get rid of that. Alright, and you can draw in your background if you want. You could draw a monkey or something. You can add a monkey if you want. Alright, I'm gonna add a monkey actually. Alright.
There's almost any animal or anything on there. Oh, it's so cute.
Got a monkey.
They have the cutest animals.
And
on
you
here.
can click that, click costumes, and then you can like
You
click.
can draw on the
You can
monkey.
draw on it. You can make it smaller, which is what I'm gonna do. You can also make it pixelated if you want, but I'm not gonna do that. You just click convert to bitmap. If you want to change it back to regular, it says convert to vector, and then so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make so you click this, I think. Then you make sure it's all the way out like that, all the way around it. Then you move it. You can make it smaller as well.
And it also looks awfully weird when you click on it, but
Yes. And you can move it around if you want. So you can pick the size.
I
and
think
stuff.
maybe you should put it like in the middle where you can see it very well.
I'm gonna make it like there. How's that?
Maybe you should put another one.
You know what? I'm gonna make it smaller so you can see the bananas. Actually, what if I made it like in the tree? Oops, that's far. How about like that? Or like
Make it sit on the ground or stand on the ground.
there.
A little bigger. You can always just adjust the size if you don't like it. You can do anything here,
Yeah,
actually.
I think that's good. All right. So now you press pause, click save, and then okay, something's not right. All right. All right. Something's wrong. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine. It's fine. All right.
Yeah, so
So-
sometimes that doesn't work,
But
but as long as it's a game, it's fine.
party.
So,
I'm just gonna click a random one.
Let's do- forest.
there. All right. Now we
That's a
click
cool forest.
you
It makes a
save.
banana.
Actually, forgot to press. You press save, and then you press back, and then ta-da! Is that?
Okay, so let's see how
And-
it works.
And also, if you want, if you create an account, you can share it. So you press see inside, then you press share, the orange button. Then it says congratulations on sharing your project. Other people can now try it out, give comments, and remix it. Remix means create one of its another, like a copy of it.
But make
But-
it cooler or different.
Yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna check. Not a lot of people. Yeah. You see the 1 That was me because I made these, so I need. Yet no one has. So I'm gonna show you how to go on other people's games. You press explore up here. Then you can press all animations, art, games, music, stories, and tutorials. So now, coronavirus. I'm gonna click a game, and then I'm gonna click a video. First, I want you to see Flex, Tape, and Run. If you want Awesome Meal, I think that's how you say it, 82, he is probably one of the best animators.
We also
So
apologize if he did not say it correctly.
yes.
Hi, Bill Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair.
Okay, so now I'm gonna search. What's the research? I'm gonna search Run. You can search authors as well. That one. And yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments down below how yours worked out, and also make sure to post that video on YouTube and give us your channel name, and we'll go check it out. So, yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.